Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this really nice strap light. So it comes in this really nice box actually, as you can see, and the very important feature of that is actually it can be connected with Amazon Alexa and also Google Assistant, which is actually make it really nice. Now, looking around the box, we see that this is the app that they have, and there are some features actually, which is coming with the 16 million colors, the music mode, which is something pretty new nowadays, so it will basically dance with the music. The app itself, the DIY mode, do-it-yourself mode, or 65,000 hours of lifespan, which is actually really big, and 5 years of warranty. Pretty cool. Now, backside, not much info going on. Yeah, pretty good. So let's open it up. This is what we have got inside the package. So it comes with this pretty big actually adapter. Our adapter is actually pretty heavy, I would say. So usually we have much smaller ones. I think this is 24 volts. So we have the remote control and also a couple of other, let's say, connectors in here. This is our user manual, and basically that's the light itself. So really nice light actually. It has, well, this is where it's actually glued. So let's first open up this glue, and then we can actually open up and give it a try. Now let's open it from this corner. There we go. And yeah, there we go. So now it's open. So it's basically released. So now we could basically open a little bit of that, and then we can give it a try and test how it works. So it comes with this glue, actually the 3M glue from the back side, so it can stick to anywhere, basically any surface, which makes it really cool. Pretty well. Now let's basically put it other way around, put this box away as well to have more space in there. And yeah, now let's actually connect it to our power and see how this thing works. Before that, let's open up the adapter, see what we have got in here. So the adapter is pretty big actually, and this is the connection point, basically also the adapter receiver, so to say, the remote control receiver. And yeah, let's just try to put it like this on the table. Now open up the power cord here. We need to actually connect it to the electricity. Once again, it's pretty big, I would say, the power adapter in here. Now let's connect it to our ports. There we go. So it starts with the blue light. Nice color. It's actually really bright, I would say. Let's go to the different colors and give it a try. Now let's first remove the power thing. Now turn it off, turn it on, and let's go for white. Wow, it's actually really bright, really bright, I would say. So compared to the light I'm using actually to shoot this video, which is around 3000 lums, so this is way brighter than that. So I believe, I'm not sure if we can find the information on this about how many lums is this one. So I have a device actually to measure it, but nevertheless, let's see if this information is available here. So we see the power supply, the light color, and no information actually about that. Okay, which is pity. The other side the same, so German one, no, nothing. Well, let's check out. I think there's another one in here as well. User manual. No, not much info on this either. So this one is more of the controller, what we have got as the functionalities here. No, nothing. Well, pity. Let's try more. Now we have got basically the music mode. It's pretty cool, so check it out. This is a test 1 2 3 1 3. So you see there's like the dance. So when you clap or when you make some sound in here, so you see, so it acts to the sound. It's pretty cool actually, really nice. So when I'm talking, basically my voice is causing kind of demo on this. Then we have got actually, so we can change this, so like to have different sort of demo, so it's like more of a colorful one. And yeah, pretty nice actually, really cool. So it's also another mode, basically like kind of color demo, and yeah, it's really nice. So basically looking at these stripes composed of quite a lot of different LEDs, as you can see. So pretty nice LEDs all next to each other. I'm just curious, how long is this light? Actually, let's see, maybe we can find something, maybe on the box. No information on that actually. No, I'm not sure. It's nowhere written actually how many meters is this one. Okay, anyway, I think it's something around like 3 meters probably. 3-4 meters, no idea. I need to open it up completely and see what it is. Anyway, let's go back to our review. So this is a yellow color, this is cyan, we have got the pink one, this is the red one, so it's green one, and that's a blue one. Pretty cool. And each of them, and it's a white one. So we can actually change the brightness. So for some reason, yeah, the brightness somehow works quite strange. I'm not sure really what triggers it properly. Yeah, now it works. So this is like a low brightness, and basically this is like RGB mode. So RGB mode, the red, green, blue mode, basically is the composition of the colors. So usually the RGB is between 0 to 255, and basically it's a value. So these compositions for LEDs, they define different colors, and really nice. So looking at these stripes, actually you can see it can be cut from different parts of the light. So have a closer look. So this is where the wire is soldered. So actually you can see the white one is pretty much our basically that is our neutral, I believe. I can't really read that. So we have got the yellow one, which is actually our plus, and the red one which is our plus, and the yellow one which is our minus. So it's a DC power or direct current. So that's why there is no flickering actually happening. So each of these sections can be cut, and basically each of these cuts can be soldered. So it's free to be used and free to go, which makes it really nice. So many of these lights, they have actually this flickering effect, which means if you are using especially the AC lights, which mostly they are AC actually under the trunk and so on, under the closets, so to say, those ones are mostly AC or the alternative current. So sometimes we have this flickering effect, which means the product is blinking. This is sometimes due to the frequency of the power. So the camera can capture like 50 to 60 hertz, I would say. That's like the capture of, let's say, 50 times per second or 60 times per second. And when the light is actually blinking in, let's say, slower pace, you can sometimes see the flickering on that. And that is quite annoying actually, especially if you are working in a kitchen or if you have a white surface. So it's very visible. Some people can even see it pretty well. So this would never happen with this light because this is a DC power, so direct current. Anyway, this is pretty warm as well, so I'm touching, it's actually really warm. So I'm not sure if it's because it's circled together is warm or it will be like that. So I need to do a kind of duration test on this. And other than that, we have our basically the keys on this basically receiver, as you can see. And these keys can help you actually change the colors, I believe, in here. Yeah, looks like this. You can turn it on and off. I'm not sure what is the S, so yeah, turn on and off, and this can basically change the modes, I believe. Different type of lights. Really nice actually, pretty well product. Yeah, very bright as well. Now let's give it a try to the app. This is actually where they have the app. This is the app itself. Let's install this. And it's around 70 megabyte. So let's get this app as well. So I'm using my test Android phone for these sort of testings. Here we go. Let's open this up. So let's connect to the network. Let's send in notifications. I don't need those. Let's go. Well, need to make an account. No, sign in without making an account. That's good. Actually, that's pretty good. Continue. Permission to discover the devices through the Bluetooth. Yes, why not? And let's add the device. And once again, while using the app, give it this permission, and wow, there we go. So pretty quick, actually found the device. Let's tap on that, connected. There we go. So this is the app. It's on mode number 9. We can change it to 47, and as I'm changing it, you see, so it's like different sort of demos actually happening. Pretty cool. So there's the music mode. So based on the sound which the device is hearing, is actually tapping. And well, this is like different sort of coloring, which is pretty cool. So different sections can have different colors, which makes it really nice. And brightness can be changed. If it's a demo, the speed can also change. And also this is the gradient. This is pretty cool. So you can say from which section to which section what sort of color and brightness should have. Pretty cool actually. And this, once again, the dynamic. Of course, we can also tune our own and save it somewhere and turn it off. Also very easy to turn it on and off. And don't forget, this can be connected to Alexa and Google Assistant. Probably I need to be logged in. I'm not quite sure how. Probably I need to be logged in to be actually able to use our Alexa and also Google Assistant. Anyway, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.